something bad.
I could help, but you probably don't want me.
No, I could use the help of you being there with me. Dapper buddies. Quit saving me! Seriously, don't do that again.
Uzi. Uzi, you want to tell me what's the matter?
No, don't look. I'm gross and eating people and stuff.
Yeah, we'll figure that part out. But you know that's not what I mean.
Are you, like, gonna leave me?
Uzi,
Never mind, stupid.
before we met, scary stuff was actually pretty scary. And tonight, too, because you weren't with me to make it fun somehow. I kind of forgot what that was like.
Same.
Then we'll stick together.
Don't fucking touch it. Plus, my voice is more like...
Accent was a bad idea anyway. And I'm sorry.
Not like you killed anyone.
Oh, no, I definitely...
Kidding! Just avoid another whole spire. Baby steps. Together?
You were supposed to get away.
Yeah, I'm kinda like actually mad about what you did. But we...
Then die mad!
Anne? Yeah, no, never mind.
No! Hey, I should mention Uzi and I...
What?
We did not discuss the gross and... That was your mom! What?
Hey, no!
Hey. Thanks
issue. Before that whole thing.
We're, like, dating, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just
like
'cause I
that
can't always-
was the
I can't
plan.
always
Yeah,
read.
Like, yeah.
Yay.
And that maybe I don't actually hate it here as much.
That's my girlfriend!